Hi guys! Okay na. Hello! So we're on our way to the city. It's a Friday night and we usually go to the city during this time to spend our weekends, right?
Yes.
We are now having an expensive date. And by expensive, I mean real expensive. This is a fancy date. Okay, patanin.
Yes, we're all good. Paycheck.
Some of you might be wondering why I don't. Some of you might be wondering why I don't talk in my previous videos, and this is why.
This is why.
It's almost Christmas. That right there is what I want. We are finally here in the city. Baby.
Mukha na.
Sorry.
See, it's okay.
Now that we're done with our laundry, we're gonna go somewhere to eat. Let's go.
Pili ba?
Awan ko nung dito din. So we just done eating dinner. Ang saan?
Tapos na po kami kumain. Magandang gabi.
Ganun ngit-ngit na pirmi. So we just finished eating dinner. And how was dinner?
Good. What?
What did we eat?
Pong.
Uy, usara man sa nakapano. So, asa ta pa doon,
Sa balay.
Wala na ta. What time is it?
Almost 7.
Oh, 7. Isn't it too early to go home?
I'm doing some work. Of course, work is life. And
How about me?
and just watch movies.
Hi.
Ay, kaya ginalang na ninyo. May lamig.
You want me to take a video, right?
Ay,
Yun yung malimpyo eh.
Panday. Tara, manood ito. Harap na ko pertubo. Ano yung Europe? Okay.
Let's die. Where is it? Yay.
Paglisingan ko. Yari niyo. Adelante.
We are finally going home, but first we're gonna go stop over at where are we going first?
Gasoline station.
Gasoline station, and then next
Vulcanizing shop.
vulcanizing shop for
The wheels.
the wheels. And then after that, don't forget my coffee.
Okay.
You promised me.
Okay.
Char. English. That's it. Ta-da! Cologne. Cologne Street.
Ay, pakita ko na pati kayo.
Ako galing itong gamas ko.
Okay lang ko yung papa ka.
How's the weather out today? What do you think of the weather?
Init. Init ra.
I'm so looking forward for my coffee. Should I have iced or hot coffee?
Ano coffee? Yun na ka pwede ugat coffee.
Huh? Because it's too strong. Oh, sorry. It's too strong. Black coffee is too strong for me that I won't be able to sleep later at night. So I'm gonna have iced coffee. I'm gonna have iced coffee. Is that fine? your diesel. Finally! Thank you, V.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Wow. Look at that view. Ang langit, B.
Pag may hangin.
We're almost home now, and he's going to. We're almost home now, and he's going to play basketball with his friends. I'll see you there. Okay. Okay, this is quite dark, but to update you guys, we're already here in our hometown, and we're at the basketball court where you will play basketball. Time check is already 6 p.m. and he will start his game at hindi na ko makita. Just okay. He will start his game at 6:30. Exactly 6:30.
Yes.
And I'm gonna bring you guys there later. Hey, they're finally done with their game. How was your game?
Good.
What did you do?
Nice.
How's your feeling?
Happy, of course. Char.
Why?
I get the chance to sweat out my fats. Di ba English to?
Aggressive.
Pero, nagpagawa sa bitang kong singot na ginuwera kong English.
And we're done for the weekend. I hope you like our video. Please like, comment down below so we can talk. Subscribe to my channel. The truck doesn't want you to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.